There's a head. That head is mine now. Yes! 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 Yes!
I already took it. I took it out here.
I need to wash it off in the water so I don't burn. Oh, it washed itself off. This is mine. This is mine. Why isn't my beak bleeding yet? Alright, everyone, close your eyes and think about something else. I'm gonna drop it in the dye. Ah!
Guys, can you please stop putting your stuff on the ground? And the wrappers from the candy, can you please throw them away?
I put it in the thing. I got him. He's blue now! She's blue now! Yes! Now to drop her off the edge.
That sounds terrible. Sounds savage.
It's a random head that you find at the end of a bridge in this game. Oh, I was about to say, is that spikes? It's just grass. Eh. Oh gosh, no, my head, the head, I need it. Yes, now to put it in this box, right here. I'm gonna celebrate once I drop it in the box. No. Execute the head. Okay. Yes, it's in the box. Now. Torque. I'm just gonna end the video off like this. Torque. Ooh, what's this? It's a walkie-talkie! Who's right? I will drop this off the edge. Let me stop twerking now. Put this in the box. The head. It's gone. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Head. No, not the box.
Please don't leave Peyton on the couch.
Oh, that was a lighter. He was playing with it. Yes, the walkie-talkie is in. Now, an egg. Making an excellent dinner. Drop that in there. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. I'm cannibal. I'm eating my own kind.
Tristan, are you done with your coffee?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The log in the box. The log, the stump, and the box. Just gotta carefully bring this over here. Don't rush. Are you kidding me? Did you just drop a bomb in? No. What are those? Oh my gosh, no. No! Alright, strawberry. Strawberry. Small strawberry. Put this in the box. No! Dinner. I'm making excellent food. I'm an excellent chef. Donut. I'm making a food. Good food. Hey, why is... Oh, a big donut. Ooh, lollipop. Ooh, taco. I'm gonna add this to the food. You better not steal my food. And you better not blow it up either. Alright, that's my food. I'm gonna go bring it. Go bring it to the oven. Yes! Get cooked! I cooked myself.